Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate practice exam question, and we got a math one for you guys. You guys were asking for some more math ones, and I wanted to give that to you. So, without further ado, the de Havilland's home on Dove Street is valued at $95,000. Property in their area is assessed at 60% of its value, and the local tax rate is $2.85 per hundred. What is the amount of the de Havilland's monthly taxes? So whenever we're doing math questions, let's figure out what we're looking for first. So we're looking for monthly taxes. So let's jump into what we're going to do and how we're going to solve for this. So the first thing that we're going to do, okay, is find the assessed value, okay, because that's what we're going to be basing it off of. So we take the value of the property and we multiply it by the 60% because, again, it said in this area we are valuing the properties. Basically, they're taxed at 60% of their value. So what we have to do is find out 60% of their value to get the assessed value, right? Now, a couple things that you could do. Some people do this a little differently. I'm going to tell you the way I wrote it out because this was the way that the text did it, the way that they had it written out. So I wanted to just transpose it just like that and explain it to you. However, you could do it a couple different ways. So whenever you see something is per 100 or per 1,000, okay? And also 1,000, some people get this one confused. 1,000 is also a mill. So if you see mill or millage, okay, that is the equivalent there. It's the same thing. Whenever you see mill, it's the same thing as 1/1000th, okay? So right here, it says that the tax rate is per 100. So you could divide the assessed value by 100, or you could actually leave the assessed value as is and turn the $2.85 into a decimal form of 1/100. So either way, so if you guys tackled it that way, you would come out with the same answer, which would give you the annual interest rate. And understand, you're getting the annual interest rate here of 1624.50. So in order to find the answer that will give you the one that is correct, you're going to have to divide that by 12 months, and you're going to get 135.38. So guys, I hope you like that one. And if you do, hit like. Also, if you're not already a member, subscribe. And in the description box down below, I am actually now offering private lessons. So you guys could sign up for private lessons, links down below, and it has the schedule, rates, and any FAQ that you guys might have. So if you have any questions, concerns, I would be more than happy to help you out on a one-on-one basis. But guys, keep on watching, and I will see you guys real soon.